The AL Hek had with Mr. Hemanta cannot be called as a border talk meeting. It has to be done at an official level. Please understand these are very, very sensitive and very official matters. So one cannot say that Hek had an official meeting with it's a discussion they had. He went to wish him and congratulate him after taking over as the thing, and mentioned to him that yes, border issue is important. But an official meeting will only take place once in the entire government machinery from both the states are there, and normally takes place at the Chief Minister's level. So that's number one. So therefore, it would be incorrect to say that a meeting took place on border issue between the Health Minister and the Chief Minister of Assam would be incorrect. It was a casual meeting they had, and they discussed. They happen to be from the same party, so they have been talking about this, which is not an issue at all. They can. But obviously, an official decision will only take place at the Chief Minister's level. Number two, this discussion, as I said, which I clarified in my last meeting also, has been and is going on at very, very different levels. I cannot divulge the content of the discussions that are going on with us, which is with Honorable CM Assam and myself, and Government of India also. But many factors are being discussed. I mentioned to you last week also that the amount of time that I have been spending as an individual in the last 2-3 weeks on any subject, I can fairly tell you that 80% of my time is on the border issue. I now know most of the villages, most of the areas, most of the complications, different CMships, different organizations. What I'm trying to tell you is that a lot of work is going on. But let us not get into those details. Officially, very soon we'll be meeting. That's all I can tell you. Very soon we'll be meeting. But unofficially, we are doing a lot of work to try and find an amicable solution to this long pending issue that has been affecting the state and the people, especially in the border area.